Hey guys, good morning. It's Daddy RJ and
Ayla Pum Pum.
Ayla Pum Pum. Happy Easter.
We're going in an Easter party to Tita Trisha.
So, okay, sabi nga ni Ayla, we're going to a family gathering, Easter party sa bahay ni ate. So guys, mamaya samahin nyo kami. But for now, magluluto kami ni Ayla ng breakfast. Yeah. Okay, then you need to put it down. This. Eat with the toast. Charcuterie.
No, butter.
Butter and honey cheese.
No, salami.
And salami.
Hey, brocha, come out.
Later. There it is. Not too much. Are you doing the butter good? You need to cut your bread. Oh, where's the salami?
It looks like I'm bald.
No, don't put it. Okay. Okay.
It looks like my...
Hey, Ate Macy, how many? It's 12 squares, huh?
Actually, it's...
Toast bread for breakfast.
I always get that for...
So, Ate Macy's also away. Good morning, Ate Macy. And they're sharing Ayla's sandwich. So guys, happy Easter. Good morning. At ngayon po nandito tayo sa Kakahuyan. Inilalakad ko po yung aso natin na si Willow, just to keep him healthy. So nandito nga tayo sa Linden Woods. So yan yung woods. Nandito pa lang tayo sa Bukana. Tapos yung kabilang side is yung pinaka barangay namin. So malapit lang talaga kami dito. So guys, today is Easter Sunday. Pupunta kami mamaya sa bahay ni ate. At doon ang aming family gathering. Konting salo-salo, party, kantahan. So yun po ang tatangkalikin natin video ngayon. So for a moment, lakad muna natin si aso. Ayan. At may mga dumaan pang mga nagma-mountain biking. So matarik po yan. As in pababa talaga yan. Ito. Ayan, ganyan kababa yan. Ganyan katarik yan. Okay guys, palabas na nga tayo dito sa Kakahuyan. At naiikot na natin ang aso natin. Tayo ay umuwi na at makapaghanda na tayo sa ating event for today. At nakabalik na nga tayo dito sa bahay. So is 1 hour and 21 minutes walk. Naka almost 8,500 steps tayo. So yun ang lakad namin ni Willow. At pagdating ko nga ng bahay, nagluluto na si Mami. Wow, eto na yung aming chicken broccoli. Hindi na natin naumpisahan yung pagbibideo. Anyway, so yan ang chicken niya. Natimplahan na. Maliligo pa kasi si Mami dahil pang gagawin. So, yan yung chicken. Natimplahan na. Tapos lalagyan na natin ng broccoli and a little bit more vegetable. Broccoli lang. We'll see. Ito yung dadali natin, Mami, akin na ate. So, sabi nga ni Mami, ituloy ko na daw ang pagluluto. Gawa! Maliligo na siya. At malapit na kaming umalis. So, dadagdagan lang natin ito ng broccoli.
Germany, we will, but how
yeah, don't block me, hello ma. Huh?
They still see you when right there.
Kinakain na po ni Ayla ang broccoli namin. may broccoli pa ba?
Malahati lang ito rito.
Good. Oh. Ayan, sige lang. You can eat it. You can eat the broccoli. We still have a lot. At here is our finished product nga. Ito yung hiniwa ko lang yung gulay. In-steam ko tapos inihalo ko dun sa niluto ni Mami. So, looking good, di ba? So, yan na po ang dadali namin dun sa party namin. Papatulong si Ate Macy sa kanyang hair. Papalagay siya ng purple hair. Adi. Show. You see.
She wants you to do her
May
hair.
nagtatampo, nagsaselos. Okay.
Sus.
Ay, sus, Ginoo. Selos pa. Oh, Mommy gonna do your braid. Oh.
Naman na.
And Ayla, how's your hair? Good, you're pretty. Wow naman, with violet hair. Come on, come on. Yan po ang kanilang forma. Oh, ha. And at Ayla have a dress with a flower. Oh, wow.
These are fruit.
Ah, it's fruit. So. And Ate Macy, turn around. Oh, wow. Diba? Forma naman yan. Yeah, she's wearing like anime clothes from the movie. All right. It's not flower, it's fruit. Can I see? There's orange, there's what is it? There's cherry.
Dragon fruit.
There's dragon fruit. I thought it's flower.
Dragon fruit. These are fruits.
Ayan, ready na nga kami. Kaya kami naka-green, di ba? Couple's color. Let's go! Let's go, girls! Alright, let's go, guys! Alright, nakahanap na nga tayo ng parking at papunta na tayo sa bahay ni ate. So, dumating na nga tayo dito sa bahay ni ate ng lamesa. Hi, Peter! Say hello!
Hello.
This is my brother-in-law.
Oh, who's that?
Yeah, YouTube.
YouTube.
YouTube. And nakaayos na yung salad. Yan po ang aming pagkain. So of course, my eldest nephew.
Hello.
Ito po, ano po to? Dayuhan po yan. Dayuhan.
Oo, yung dayuhan pa unang nakarating.
From Netherlands si Ate Michi, pinsa namin. Nyari eh.
Ayun, kasi lumabas kami.
Kasi
si
nagchismisan
ate.
kami.
Nagchismisan sila. Okay lang.
Nagchismisan namin yung...
Crunchy. So ayan, mga food is ready.
Oo, mga picture.
Sila mami na lang ini.
Anong oras daw? Ay,
Wala pa sila Karen.
Sila ka...
So ito, favorito ko to. Hindi yan basta-basta potato salad yan ay timplang Nepalese. Ang galing gumawa ni ate na ito eh. Dukot na tayo. Daming krada na ito. Hoy! Aba!
Tutok-batok na nga eh. Inatake na nga eh.
Ano ka ka? High blood na si Ate Michi.
lalagyan yan. Ay na siya bago pa sa ano yan.
Malutong match. Wow!
O yun.
Marinig yan. Pamungkin kaya ako ni Mangkongko.
Mangkongkong lechon. Ayun. Yum yum.
Tira ko to kay Demi. Possible chicken.
Chicken. So ito ang aming finger foods.
Wala, puno ang
JB siya. Okay.
Pero na yung fanfare.
There's the butter. So, ito pa ay chop suey, bolaches, kanin,
Tiguada. Siguro.
Ay, pareho pala yan. Ginataan tilapia, lechon. What did you eat? What did you eat? Can I say? Wow! Chicken and meatballs and rice. So, satay and chicken. Be careful the punches, ha? Oh, ito nga po ang ating pagkain. Naubusan na ako ng balat ng lechon. So, inubusan ako ng balat ng lechon. Ayun.
Mamaya ako mag-rice. Kasi
Binigyan ako asawa ko na. Smakaleg Katen. Yo, no, binigay sa akin ni Papa ko. Yo, happy days. You want crunchy chicharon? You don't want crunchy chicharon? I will.
pero sa diet mo, mayroon kang
Crunchy chicharon.
meron ka kailangan iwasan.
Don't touch it.
Kasi hindi, kaya ang problema, hindi nga yun sa heart naman.
Crunchy chicharon.
Pero bago i-start yung hotel, kailangan ito itigil lahat ng gamot.
Dessert. Ano ito? Binignet.
Hindi! Si Shrek!
Kasabang sunog. Cheese. Sunog.
Hindi kasama yun.
Hindi daw kasama. So, ano to? Sapin-sapin.
Okay. Sunog, sapin-sapin.
Masarap na yun.
Carrots, cheese, chocolate, dessert time.
Hindi na tuloy nakita yung sapin.
Alright, dessert time. Kasaba, sapin-sapin. Shrek daw, sabi ng pinsang ko. Tabi-tabi daw.
The response was?
Pero ka pala, bibigyan na ako.
Bilo-bilo. Binignet.
So guys, nakabalik na kami dito sa bahay after our Easter party. Hindi na kami nakapag-video masyado at nalobat ako. So guys, again, this is This family. Hi, Mommy!
Hi, Daddy.
Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel.
I wanted to say
Okay. Okay, take two. Open you. Again. Hi!
don't forget to like and subscribe, but not on our.
But you always say that. You need to say to our channel, not on our channel. Okay, again. Take 3.
Don't forget to like and subscribe on our videos
And we are
Keep-
the
YouTube family.
This
Family.
on YouTube. Again. We are the
This family.
Bye-bye.
Wait, not yet.
Okay. Again. Okay.
Then also you have to scroll and like. Don't forget to make a family heart.
A family heart. Okay. Bye-bye.
Don't forget the Easter egg.